In the cosmic dance of existence, the universe often communicates with us through subtle hints, gentle whispers, and occasional shouts. These warning signs from the universe serve as celestial guideposts, steering us away from potential pitfalls and towards our true path. The universe will never want to see you in trouble. On the contrary, the universe will always want to see you prosperous, abundant, and happy. Therefore, it always makes sure to guide you every time you are doing something and will not think twice about punishing you, especially when you want to deviate from the path it has for you. And watch out, because these punishments are not to frustrate you, but to put you back on the path it wants you to follow. In this process, you may think that problems have come upon you, but if you look at it from another perspective, you may actually need to rethink things. That is, review what you had in mind to do or cancel certain events that you wanted to do because they are risky. Be that as it may, the following are the 6 signs from the universe that tell you to stop doing whatever you are doing right now. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery as we delve into the mystical realm of the universe's wisdom, unraveling the 6 warning signs from the universe to stop what you are doing. Our exploration will illuminate the connection between intuition, serendipity, and the cosmos, equipping you with the knowledge to identify and interpret these celestial signals with confidence. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. 1. Unexpected delays. In the grand tapestry of life, unexpected delays often serve as a cosmic pause button, providing us with an opportunity to reflect on our current trajectory. It's during these moments of stillness that we can attune ourselves to the underlying messages and insights the universe is attempting to convey. Perhaps the delay is urging us to slow down and contemplate our decisions, or maybe it's pushing us to alter our course altogether. For example, you had a trip to make, but an unexpected situation arose that delayed it completely. However, a few minutes later, you learn that there has been a serious accident on the road in which you could have been involved if you were taking that trip. As you can see, the universe uses these delays to make you realize that you are going the wrong way, and therefore you have to stop and change course. To decipher the meaning behind these delays, it's vital to cultivate a heightened sense of awareness and maintain an open, receptive mindset. By adopting a more holistic perspective, we can begin to perceive the interconnected nature of our experiences and recognize the subtle patterns that permeate our lives. In doing so, we may unearth valuable lessons and unearth the wisdom hidden within these cosmic cues. 2. Uncomfortable feelings. These sensations often manifest as uneasiness in the pit of our stomachs, a nagging sense of unease, or a sudden wave of anxiety. Paying heed to these feelings can serve as a crucial compass in navigating life's twists and turns, for they are, in essence, warning signs from the universe. Have you suddenly felt nausea, emptiness in your stomach, or discomfort inside you as if something is not right? Let me tell you that this is the universe giving you signs. It doesn't matter how hard you try to push that negative feeling away from you. The thing is that surely there is something that you are doing or that you are about to do, but that the universe does not want you to do. So go with the flow and don't force yourself to go against it so that you won't regret it later. As we become more adept at acknowledging and heeding our uncomfortable feelings or bad hunches, we may discover that our lives begin to flow with greater ease and harmony. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable may now appear surmountable, and our path may become more clearly illuminated. 3. Constant arguments and fights. The harmonious balance of our lives can be disrupted when disagreements escalate into incessant conflicts. These quarrels may manifest in various aspects of our lives, be it personal relationships, professional connections, or even within our internal dialogue. When we find ourselves entangled in a seemingly endless loop of arguments and disputes, the universe may be urging us to reflect on the root causes of these clashes and examine the driving forces behind them. Taking a step back to assess the bigger picture is crucial. Are these conflicts arising from genuine differences in values, beliefs, or goals? Or are they merely symptomatic of unresolved emotional baggage that requires our attention and care? By contemplating these questions, we pave the way for personal growth and the resolution of our inner turmoil. It's important to recognize that constant arguments and fights are not merely unfortunate circumstances, but could be the universe's way of guiding us towards self-reflection, healing, and growth. By heeding these warning signs from the universe, we open ourselves up to the possibility of change and the creation of more harmonious relationships with others and ourselves. 4. Sleepless nights. When we're unable to surrender to the embrace of sleep, it may be time to examine the deeper, underlying issues at play. One potential reason for insomnia is a misalignment between our actions and our core beliefs. As we navigate the complexities of life, we sometimes lose sight of our authentic selves, inadvertently straying from our intended path. When we're embroiled in activities or relationships that conflict with our inner truth, our subconscious mind may manifest this discord through sleep disturbances, urging us to realign with our genuine purpose. If you can't stop thinking about something that has you restless, that tells you that you must act now, and all this makes it difficult for you to fall asleep at night, then be aware. There may be something you're missing or something you're doing that you should stop doing. To heed the universe's warning and address insomnia, it's vital to cultivate a sense of self-awareness. Begin by exploring your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to discern any discrepancies between your actions and your core values. Journaling, meditation, and introspection can be invaluable tools in this process, guiding you toward clarity and self-discovery. 5. Getting sick. This is one of the most natural things that show us that something is wrong or that there is something we are not doing right. While it's easy to dismiss this as a mere consequence of stress or fatigue, it's crucial to consider the possibility that this may be one of the warning signs from the universe, urging us to slow down, reevaluate our priorities, and nurture our well-being. Our physical health is intricately linked with our emotional and spiritual states, making it a potent indicator of our overall alignment with the universe. When we experience sickness or persistent health issues, it may be the universe's way of telling us that we're veering off course or neglecting essential aspects of our lives. To heed this celestial warning, we must first recognize the connection between our physical symptoms and their underlying causes. Are we overworking ourselves, neglecting self-care, or engaging in unhealthy habits? By identifying these detrimental patterns, we can begin to address the root causes of our ailments and restore balance to our lives. This is the easiest and quickest way the universe gets us to stop doing certain things that only harm us. 6. Accidents. An accident can happen unexpectedly, of course. However, when one or more accidents synchronize, that is a sign from the universe that it is trying to slow you down on something, or that it wants you to stop doing something altogether. Indeed, it has already given you previous signals that you have ignored, and because of that, it now gives rise to accidents. Keep in mind that these accidents can be both physical and emotional. When confronted with accidents or mishaps, it's essential to examine the underlying patterns and messages. Are these incidents isolated, or do they repeatedly occur in specific situations or aspects of our lives? If the latter, it's time to explore the deeper meaning behind these occurrences. In short, the universe always guides us to our destiny. We simply have to pay attention to its signs and apply all the positive aspects of them in our lives. The consequences of ignoring the warning signs from the universe. Ignoring these celestial signals can lead to an array of consequences that can disrupt the harmony and balance within our lives. First and foremost, when we disregard the warning signs from the universe, we risk perpetuating negative patterns and cycles. By not paying heed to the cosmic hints urging us to change course, we may repeat the same mistakes, face similar obstacles, and feel trapped in a never-ending loop of frustration and dissatisfaction. Furthermore, ignoring the universe's guidance can hinder our personal development and growth. When we fail to recognize the lessons inherent in our challenges and obstacles, we miss out on valuable opportunities to evolve and expand our consciousness. This stagnation can lead to feelings of discontentment and a sense that we are not living up to our full potential. Another consequence of neglecting the universe's warning signs is the negative impact on our emotional and mental well-being. When we brush off our intuition or ignore serendipitous occurrences, we may inadvertently suppress our inner voice, leading to feelings of confusion, self-doubt, and disconnection from our true selves. Over time, this can manifest as anxiety, depression, or a pervasive sense of unease. Moreover, ignoring these celestial signals can strain our relationships with others. By not heeding the universe's advice to reassess our actions or attitudes, we may inadvertently perpetuate unhealthy dynamics or patterns of behavior, causing discord and disharmony in our personal connections. Paying attention to the warning signs from the universe is crucial for maintaining a sense of balance, harmony, and overall well-being in our lives. By tuning into the cosmic wisdom that surrounds us, we can foster personal growth, cultivate deeper connections with ourselves and others, and navigate the ever-changing landscape of life with grace and ease. Are you witnessing any of these signs now? Kindly share your views in the comment section. It would be a great source of learning for all.